You can't shoot in that opening, you can't shoot out of that opening, you can't walk through that opening. Pretend it's a solid wall. All right, go ahead, guys.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like,
go, go, go. Force. Hey, I saw guys going in the woods. Watch the woods. Hit. You guys, fuck.
Keep moving.
Here, someone cover me. I'm gonna go throw this grenade.
I got you. Where are you throwing it?
Top of the boat.
Right, I got you.
Are they up there? Where are they? Where are they? Ooh. Top of the boat. Okay, shit. Somehow this has to get up there.
What that shit?
No, I would miss. And this would break.
He's still shooting at us.
Alright.
Oh yeah, we can't go full out.
What?
Yeah, I want to use the full out so bad. Hey, dude, flank them inside the building. Go on left side. I'll give you covering fire and you throw the
I need.
There's no one here. Go.
I need all of you guys to give me cover fire.
He's hit. Go. He's hit. Go.
Fuck. Shit. I didn't click it shut. Shit, I gotta get this grenade up there. Matt, cover me.
There's two guys moving up.
Moving up where?
Right there. You see that thing? Here, go on.
Shit. There any guys in the top of the boat?
I don't know. No.
Grayson!
Yeah.
I need cover so I can get this grenade out.
Got it.
Hit! Good, I need to throw this grenade.
Did you throw it?
Nope, got shot. Yeah, here. Should I grenade Ross? Really?
He's got right there in the bushes. I think he's dead. Well, I'm gonna go in the bushes. I'll be right back.
Hey, shit. Top of the tower, top of the boat. Just hold on to it. I'm trying to throw a grenade here. Hey, I need everyone here to cover me, okay? There's one guy on the top of the boat, tons of guys down. I'm gonna get a grenade up there. Just shoot the shit out of the top of the boat and around the boat.
Two guys right there.
Behind where? This one?
Behind the
Do this shit right now.
Pillar?
Yeah, that one.
Right in front of us.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Alright, everyone suppress that pillar thing. Oh shit. I'm hit. Shit, what am I gonna do? I have a live grenade. Dude, I didn't think you were in there. I was gonna chuck a nade in there.
I'm guessing you got hit.
Yep, I'm back though.
Oh, fuck.
Where is he? Wait, you guys are hit. Never mind.
You fucking, yeah.
You right here? Grenade! I have no idea. I got a grenade out over there.
Oh shit, that's an orange thing. Guy on your right, guy on your right.
Hey Grayson, is the camera blinking?
I don't see it. Oh yeah, it is, it is.
Sick. Got him.
Hit!
Shit. Hit! We're losing. Wait, shit, I gotta get my grenade. Hold on. Hey, do you see a red grenade over there?
Hey, if you were 5 feet like more, dude, you would have had him right in the face. That was good. Did you guys even know where I was at?
Nope. I saw BBs coming, so I just tossed a grenade. Are we out?
You're dead, go over there.
Yep. I suspected that.
I better be on YouTube.
You are right now.
Awesome.